In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram link previews to Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into the steps. First, you're going to need to open your browser and head over to zapier.com. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one, as Zapier is a powerful tool for automation that will help you connect Instagram and Slack with ease. Once you're logged in, look for the Create button on the dashboard. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select the Zaps option. This will open up the automation builder where all the magic happens. It might feel a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. Next up, we need to set up the trigger for Instagram. In the automation builder, locate the trigger block. Click on it, and you'll see a search bar appear. Type in Instagram and select it as your initiating app. This means that every time something happens on Instagram, such as a new post, it can trigger an action in Slack. After setting up the trigger, we now need to set up the action in Slack. So look for the action block right below the trigger. Click on it and select Slack as the receiving app. At this point, you're essentially telling Zapier what to do once it recognizes the trigger from Instagram. Now, it's time to configure your automation. On the right side panel, you'll see options for various action events that you can choose from. Let's say, for this example, we want to create a reminder each time there is a new Instagram post. You can set it up to send a message like upload photos once a day at 8 a.m. Just make sure to fill in the details according to your preferences. It could be different reminders or messages based on what you need for your workflow. Once you've got your automation set up just the way you want it, it's crucial to test it before you publish. Click on the Continue button and then look for the Test Step option. This will help ensure that everything is functioning properly and that the connection between Instagram and Slack is working seamlessly. If the test is successful, you're almost done. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and hit the Publish button. This action will make your automated workflow live and ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully set up Instagram link previews to Slack, making it easier to keep track of your Instagram activity right within Slack. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Happy automating!